Hello guys, this is First Create Academy. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create an understanding about your Lumetri scope and how to use it like a pro and enhance your video editing, or as a colorist, enhance your colors in so many ways. Let's dive in. So this is our Lumetri scope over here. If you're unable to see the Lumetri scope, all you just need to do is go to Windows, and this is the Lumetri scope. What we're going to ask ourselves first is, what is Lumetri Scope? Lumetri Scope are essential tools for video editors and colorists to monitor color accuracy and consistency in footage. They help visualize the color balance, brightness, and contrast, ensuring that the video meets professional standard. So do you understand what I just explained by the Lumetri Scope? With the Lumetri Scope, you could be able to monitor your color accuracy, if the video is too bright, if the video is too contrasty, or if the color balance is unbalanced. And with this Lumetri scope, it will help you make your video editing, or as a colorist, it will help you make your work faster and look more professional. So under this Lumetri scope, there are various options: the Vectorscope HSL, the Vectorscope YUV, histogram, Parade RGB, Waveform RGB, and under this Parade RGB Parade type, and this Waveform also has types, which is the RGB, Luma, YC, and YC low chroma. So I'm going to leave only the Vectorscope turned on. So what is Vectorscope? The Vectorscope shows color information, which is the hue and saturation of our video. It is normally in a circular format, which shows color like red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, and yellow, which are distributed around the circle. The distance from the center represents saturation. Closer to the edge means more saturated. If you are using your Vectorscope YUV and this wave over here limit is here, it means your video is over saturated. But when it is here as usual, it means it is just balanced. So the next is the Parade RGB. This scope displays the red, green, blue color channels separately, side by side. Red, green, and blue. It's useful for adjusting individual color channel for better color balance and correcting issues like color cast. If one channel is significantly higher or lower than others, it indicates an imbalance in the color grading. If you're color grading an image or a video and the reds over here is higher than this line, it means the video is too red. So the next is our Waveform RGB. This waveform is used to measure the luminance and can also show the distribution of colors. There are two main types of waveform. Number one is the luminance. So when we go to our waveform type over here, we see luma, which also means luminance. And remember, luminance means brightness or darkness. So this luminance waveform shows the brightness of our video from left to right, while the other one over here, which I'm going to be explaining, is the RGB. This waveform RGB shows the brightness level of the red, green, and blue channels. And next is our histogram over here. This histogram represents the distribution of brightness and contrast in our video. It helps you assess whether our video is overexposed, underexposed, or has good contrast. So these various Lumetri scope I have helped you define, they help you to make precise color adjustment, ensuring consistent and professional looking video across all frames. So this is the end of today's tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and hit the subscribe button, and also the notification bell so that you get updated when we post our next tutorial. Peace out.